is Chub Cay that we're anchored at, and behind us is the Diamond Keys. That's where we just got done snorkeling and looking at the pretty little fish. We saw some lionfish. Anyway, this place is pretty cool. We have a beautiful anchorage, nice and calm, nice little breeze. It's cool. We're chilling out right now. We're having our afternoon drinks and lunch, and we have neighbors. Very expensive neighbors. But it's pretty cool. Saw a turtle and some stingrays. It's been fun. We're in Chub Cay, and we came to Chub Cay Marina, and we got kicked out because we are not club members. So they're really fancy, and they don't like us non-fancy folks. So anyway, we're going to go over to the fuel dock, and Dan is getting a blue stretch, and I think that might be a golf cart to take us to the Dirty Rooster.
Naughty Rooster.
Oh, the Naughty Rooster, so that we can maybe have a cocktail. So we'll see what happens. We're going to leave early in the morning, like before sunup maybe even. We're going to go to Bimini. From here is probably about 80 miles, so that's going to be a long haul tomorrow. But it'll be a pretty sail. It should be really nice and calm because it's pretty shallow waters the whole way. We should have the wind behind us, so hopefully we'll be able to fly the spinnaker, our whomper, and just enjoy the day. Hopefully get some Bimini bread, which is so yummy. Who knows what we'll find there. Lots of sharks though, I know that. I made a tamale pie. I don't know exactly what a tamale pie is, but I bought this stuff that's called polenta, and it was like in a tube, and since you don't need to refrigerate it until you open it, I thought that would be a good thing to have on the boat. So I looked at it, and then it said you can make tamale pie. And you put like refried beans and your taco meat and that sort of thing. And so I did all that, you know, me and my taco meat. And that's my tamale pie. That's a little hot. Whew. So anyway, there it is. I hope it's good. We're heading back to Florida soon. But first we have to stop at Bimini and hopefully get some Bimini bread. But we have the sun behind us, we have the wind behind us, we have the waves behind us. It's a beautiful day in the Bahamas.
So we're about halfway between Chub Cay and Bimini. It's 11:30 in the morning. We left at about 4 o'clock in the morning. We should be at the anchorage in Bimini before 6 o'clock tonight.
Oh my God. I saw a rock.
If you enjoy our videos, please give us a like and subscribe.